Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Practice English Conversation. I'm Tom.
And I'm Amy. We're so happy you're here today.
Today, we're going to the restaurant. We'll learn real phrases you can use when you eat out.
Yes, this is super useful. You'll feel confident ordering food in English.
And before we start, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us.
Okay, let's imagine this. You walk into a restaurant. You're hungry. What do you say?
Good question, Amy. Let's learn together.
First, someone greets you at the door. Usually they say, "Welcome, how many people?"
Listen carefully. How many people? This means how many in your group?
Right. So, if you're alone, you say, "Just one, please."
If you're with a friend, you say, two, please.
Let's practice. Listen to this short dialogue.
Good evening. Welcome to Mario's restaurant. How many people?
Two, please.
Perfect. Follow me, please.
Did you hear that? Follow me, please. It means, walk with me to your table.
Great. Now, let's talk about sitting down. The waiter might ask, is this table okay?
And you can say, yes, this is perfect. Thank you.
Or if you don't like the table, you can say, can we sit by the window?
That's polite and clear. Good job practicing. Now let's move to the next part.
Okay, you're at your table. The waiter gives you a menu.
A menu is the list of food and drinks. You look at it and choose.
The waiter usually says, here's your menu. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Listen to that phrase. I'll be back in a few minutes. It means I will return soon.
While you look at the menu, you might have questions. You can say, excuse me, what's this?
Or you can ask, what do you recommend? That means, what's good here?
Let's listen to a quick dialogue.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet. What do you recommend?
Our pasta is very popular, and the grilled chicken is delicious.
Great! I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Perfect. Did you hear, I'll have? This is how you order food. I'll have the grilled chicken.
You can also say, can I have the pasta, please? Both are correct.
Exactly. Now let's talk about drinks.
The waiter always asks, what would you like to drink?
You can say, I'll have water, please. Or, can I have a Coke?
And here's an important phrase, still or sparkling. This is about water.
Still water is normal water. Sparkling water has bubbles.
You answer, still please, or sparkling please.
Let's practice ordering. Listen.
What would you like to drink?
I'll have orange juice, please.
Great. And for your main dish?
I'll have the fish with vegetables.
How would you like your fish, grilled or fried?
Grilled, please.
Wonderful. So the waiter asked, how would you like it? This means, which way do you want it cooked?
Yes. You might hear, how would you like your steak? You can say, medium, please. Or, well done, please.
Don't worry about these words now. Just know you can always ask, what are the options?
That's a smart question. Good job.
While you're eating, the waiter might check on you. They say, how is everything?
Or, is everything okay? This means, is your food good?
You can answer, everything is delicious, thank you. Or just, very good.
If you need something, you say, excuse me, can I have more water?
Or, can I have the check, please? The check is the bill. It shows how much you pay.
Let's listen quickly.
How is everything?
Perfect. The food is really good.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
See? Simple and friendly.
When you finish eating, you say, "Can I have the check, please?"
In American English, we say check. In British English, they say bill.
Both are correct. The waiter brings it, and you can pay with cash or card.
You might hear, would you like to pay by card or cash?
You answer, "Card, please," or "cash."
Before you leave, you can say, thank you. The food was excellent.
And the waiter will say, "You're welcome. Have a great day.
Let's hear it one more time.
Can I have the check, please?"
Of course. Here you go.
"Thank you. I'll pay by card."
Perfect. Thank you for coming.
Beautiful. You did it. You just learned how to order at a restaurant in English.
Wow, we covered so much today. Let's review the key phrases quickly.
When you arrive, say, "Two, please," or "Just one, please."
When you order, say, I'll have the chicken, please, or can I have the pasta?
If you have questions, ask, "What do you recommend?"
And when you finish, say, can I have the check, please?
These phrases are simple, but so powerful. Use them next time you go to a restaurant.
And remember, it's okay to speak slowly. It's okay to make mistakes.
That's right. The important thing is to practice. You're improving already.
Now we have a fun question for you. We want to hear from you.
Here's the question. What's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Do you like pasta, pizza, maybe sushi? Tell us in the comments.
We love reading your answers. It helps us know you better.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please give us a like and subscribe.
New episodes come out every week. We're here to help you practice English in real situations.
Thank you so much for listening today. You're doing an amazing job.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye and happy learning.